Dear friends, you are once again welcome to my YouTube channel, The Rural India. Today's topic is Chail Gotar, its origin and history. There are many school of thoughts about the Chail history, but I could not find a authenticated source. Everyone wrote a different story about origin of Chails. So I collected the information from Wikipedia, Google, etc. And this video is humble effort for those who does not understand Punjabi well. So many of us, many of our Chail clan people settled abroad for many years and they may not understand Punjabi well. So this video is being made for them. I hope they will appreciate and like this video. So if we go by history, Bhim Singh Daya wrote about this clan that it was part of Kanotis or White Huns, the Chails. According to European historian, they are Chols. They are called Chols. In the 4th century AD, they were settled in east of Caspian Sea. This was the period when Jauls or Jauls, present day Jauls, was occupying Jubilistan in Ghazni area. In 438-39 AD, the Iranian emperor Jajdejral II led the expedition against the Chals in the north of Gurgan. Gurgan is the place in the Azerbaijan. He was leading the expedition due to the reason that his brother, ancestral king Jajdejral was killed by the Jats in his own military headquarters, and this is the reason, maybe the reason, that the Chails migrated to India in the 5th century AD. Other school of thought say that, according to some historians, the Chail are from the lineage of Chauhans hailing from Ajmer and Asar area of present day Haryana. They came to Punjab in early 12th century and they are from the dynasty of Raja Chau. This is another story about Chails. So according to other school of thought or piece of history which is available on online, according to another story, they are from the lineage of Raja Rekh of Tanwar dynasty. They came from south to settle in Kailur, and son of Rekh got married to a Jat girl and settled at Madi in Bathinda and became the founder of Chail subcaste. Actually, the founder of Chail subcaste is from the lineage of Lord Rama's son Kush. So this is another story which is added about the Chail's history and origin, that they are from the Lord Rama's lineage. So if we go by another historian, H.A. Rose, he wrote that King Agarsan had 4 sons whose names are Shina, Chima, Sahi and Chail. So these are all Jat communities or Jat subcaste which came from the King Agarsan. So this is another story about Chails. In his book on Malwa history, Sant Visakha Singh ji wrote that the Chails was from 6th generation of Kag branch of Chauhans. Varsi was the 4th generation of Chail who had 2 wives. So Varsi was the person who was from the 4th generation of Chails and he has 2 wives. The son of one was Rala, was founder of village Rala from which many villages of Chails originated. Rala was killed by his own nephew Jagraj to avenge his father's murder, and he founded a new village which is known as Joga, which is he founded after his name. Gnori Kala and Turi, a village of Chails, was originated from Joga. So Joga Rala are the well-known villages in Malwa which is dominated by Chails. So other story says that Chails are followers of Jogi Pir, and there is a tomb or Madi of Jogi Pir in all Chail villages. In district Shekhupura there is a Muhammadan village named Madi. At village Kili Chela, there is also village Kili Chela in Moga. A fair is held in the memory of their ancestors. There is also village Chail near Faridkot. There are many many villages in Punjab where Chails dwells. Origin of all these villages is the area of Jogarala in Mansa district. In Mansa district there are 40 villages of Chails which area is known as Chalis. So this is the history about Chails, and it is believed that came to Mansa in 12th century and settled there. So according to other history, piece of history, the 9th Guru Tegh Bahadur Ji visited Pikhi in 1665. There are two Chails known, the name are Gandas and Desu, and they are dominant person of that area. They belong to Sultani's family. Gandas and Chails became followers of Sikh Gurus during the 9th Guru's time or period, we can say. Ganda Chail was warrior who confronted many times Raja Hodi and Muslim invader. Pikhi area was conquered and next by the Maharaja of Patiala. With this, the dominance of Chails was reduced, and some Chails migrated to Sangrur, Ludhiana, faraway places of Doaba and Majha. Other went to even further forward West Punjab, and this is how they were. They spread all over the Punjab. It is also written there that the piece of history that Rala was killed by his own people, own clan people, and with this the dominance of Chail reduced and Maharaja Patiala took over their areas, and that he next with his own state Patiala. In Amritsar, the Chail say that Chail was son of Raja Khang, who once saw some fairies bathing in a tank, and he seized their clothes and only stored them on the condition that one of them become his bride. One of them agreed, and on the condition that he never abused her, and she bore him a son also. But one day he spoke harshly to her, and she disappeared through the hole which is kept in the roof of the house for getting a sunlight. This is also called muga. That is also used if we drying some food again. That can, if there is some rain or something, then we can pour all the grains through that hole. Holes to save from the rain. Nowadays, it is believed that Chails don't keep any hole in their roof with the fear that their wife may not disappear through that hole, and they do not wear the red clothes on a particular day, that the day when his wife are disappeared. So this is one of the story we can say that Chails have, that in Amritsar they are believed that he was son of Raja Khang. Other stories say that they are follower of Jogi Pir. Originally Joga, son of Rajpal, who said to have killed after fighting with the Mughal even when he had been decapitated. Jogi Pir is Shada and fair his head in his honor on 4th Navratri in Assoos in Punjab. So this is history about the Jogi Pir. Jogi Pir is the original name was Joga, and he was son of Jogi Rajpal. Now in many villages of Chails, Gurdwara are built in the memory of Baba Joga Singh Chail, and in many villages you will find that Gurdwaras in Chail villages, but in some villages only tomb is created, or that is called muddy, or some sort of place is being constructed to worship their ancestor, especially the Jogi Pir. When there is some marriage or something happens good in the family, Chail offer their prayer to Jogi Pir tomb in their villages. Chail is one of the larger Jat clan found throughout the central Punjab. Chails are found in Jhelum and Gujarat districts also. They are also one of the larger Muslim Jat clan in East Punjab. So this is the history of Punjab, Chails, which is found in the literature. Though Chails are more scattered than more community, they live mainly in Rajasthan, Haryana and Punjab. So I belong to my name Dr. S. Chahal. I belong to village Chadunungal. We have 4 or 5 villages which lie between Khalchiyan, GT Road and Mehta Chowk. So main village from where all the other village originated is Tulka, Chadunungal, Ramanachak and Kadeke. And some people are also settled in Jaspal. So there are 4 or 5 villages being originated from, and it is believed that they came from Mogha. Due to the reason they have some issue with the king of that time, so they shifted in the Amritsar district. So overall, the Chahal Jat have very good self-image. Men may come and men may go, but I go on forever, a well-known Jat proverb. They are brave, hard-working people. So this is also complemented by a song sung by Sukhwinder Sukhi. He clearly complimented that Chahals are very hard-working and they earn their livelihood by hard work, and also possess both the desire to rule and have ability to rule. It has been said, no Jat wants to be ruled, rather he desires to have power over the group and not over an area. They take great pride in their ancestry. In fact, all the Jats in a particular village consider themselves to be descendant of the man whom they believe founded it by the power of sword. So this is all about history of Chahals, which was collected from different sources, and I hope that if you like this information, kindly like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, The Rural India. I will be back with some new topic. Till then, goodbye, take care, thank you very much.